Oops, didn't see you there. Well, hello. I'm Pedro, the California sea lion. Have you seen the Splash Safari show? Yup, that's me. I came to Singapore Zoo from Krefeld Zoo in Germany in the year 2000, and I have been the star performer here for almost 20 years since. I love every single moment on stage. It's always a thrill hearing all the wows and claps. If you think my show is impressive, that's just the tip of the iceberg of what I can do. California sea lions are faster than any seal or sea lion in the world. We can porpoise like dolphins and even do a 360-degree flip. I also have large eyes that help me see even in dark waters. My eyesight is no longer as sharp as before, though. Age catches up, and old sea lions can get eye cataracts just like humans do. Once, I had to undergo an emergency surgery. There was a sudden pain in my right eye, which made all my trainers and vets worried sick. Thanks to my lucky sea stars and my amazing vets and trainers, my eye was saved. I had to adapt to a new routine, but who said an old sea lion can't learn new things? I prepared myself for regular vet visits and eye tests. I even learned how to board a van. Before my comeback to the show, my trainers and I had rehearsals. My trainers stood on my left so I could clearly see their cues. And treats! Practicing helped me feel more prepared to adapt to the changes, and soon I was ready to take over the stage once again. Come by Singapore Zoo to catch me in action.